Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically earn at least $10 for uploading a PDF file or uploading any notes that you have lying around in your house. You can just give this note a title and see how much people are making. As you can see, if you're a good religious person, this guy is looking for someone that will just tell him little about Islamic, religion stuff, and he's paying $20. This one $24, this one $32. Now, if you can upload any PDF, maybe 3 pages, 5 pages, you'll be making as high as $10 every time somebody views that book. So as you can see, these are their top earners. This Alan is earning has earned $93,000. Pama has earned $91,000. Chimex has earned $79,000. Dorime has earned $73,000. Now, this is how much you can earn as long as you are able to upload books on this website and people are viewing it, depending on how many people will view it. So they'll pay you $10 just for one person. And before you question me, let me show you that this website accepts people from anywhere you are in the world. As you can see, it said if you're from Canada, from India, from Indonesia, from Malaysia, from Mexico, even Nigeria, my country, Pakistan, Philippines, South Africa, Ukraine, United States, Vietnam, Zambia, and a whole lot of other countries as well. Now, the subjects that you can upload your books or your file on is actually accounting, algebra, business and finance, chemistry, computer science, whatever course you study online, whatever course you study in school, you have them lined up here. It doesn't matter the course that you study in school, as long as maybe you have just go through some of your jotters, scan them, upload them on this website, and when people view it, you get paid $10 just for one person to view that particular PDF file. You understand? Even if it is your cousins, your brothers that have a lot of school books that they are not using, that are lying around at home, you just take your phone, download PDF scanner or tap scanner, scan them. Once you scan them, put them under any of these niches, and then you relax and start making money. As you can see, you have availability under computer science, health and medical, law, management, mathematics, programming, psychology, science, statistics, writing, whichever subject you are into. Look at what they do here. They said you have the freedom and flexibility to upload works. You can make good money by uploading your PDF file on this website. You understand? And in fact, their charges are very, very low. They don't charge you that high. So all we have to do here is to click on these three dots here. We come to where it says sign up and we fill in these details. Come to where it says username, you input username. Let me just input safe hustle. You come to where it says password, you input a password here and then you click on create account. Your Gmail, your username, and your password. You have to verify your email in your account. You understand? Please avoid using a username that is probably without number or just any light username. Try and add numbers to your username. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to check the email. Now please, if you type the wrong email, you have an opportunity here to change your email to the right ones, just in case the one you sent was actually the wrong one. So you just have to go into your email, click on the link that was sent to you and verify your email. This is the type of email you will get. It is important to know that if you are uploading any PDF, Please do not use chat gpt. You see that logic, that logic doesn't work on this website too. Because the moment you use ChatGPT or any AI and they detect it like this, they'll just block your account. If you like, have $30 in the account, they will block it. So please, let's be guided and let's follow their rules and regulation. So that is why you can just look around the house. If your brother or your sister has probably a note about something that they've written, then you scan it and upload it, and you can even call a friend if the friend has is the type that writes notes back then in school. You can think of a topic, call the friend, scan the note and do what? And upload. So let's just scroll down. You need to scroll down to show that you have read their terms and condition. Wow, it's lengthy, but just scroll down to let them know that you've read it. Then you come where it says, you click on the box and then you click on agree. And then after you click on agree, you'll be able to see available student questions. You understand, these are student questions that you can answer and you'll be able to make money. Almost no restriction. So depending on which one you want to answer, you can go ahead and answer it. Depending on which one you want to do, you can also go ahead and as you can see, you have $0. Now I will get $10. As you can see here, it says earn money selling study document, earn up to 5,000 USD a month. We share your docs with tens of millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student views one. $10 every minute a student views just one of your PDF. So you have to switch to student mode to start selling documents now. Now just click on switch and sell. You understand? Switch and sell. This switch and sell enables you to upload those documents. Now I just basically uploaded it for you to see. I basically signed up direct so that you'll be able to see that you can as well sign up direct without having issues. Then you now come back later and switch to student. On that other sign up that you did as well, you can as well make money there, but that one is basically for a teacher, you understand, or a tutor. You get, but this one is the one basically for you to upload those books and make money. They assume now that you and were students. So typically there's two ways you can make money on this website. You can make money on this website by selling the PDFs that we're about to sell now, or you can make money online as a tutor on this website. So let's just say, for instance, you are looking for books that are within University of Lagos, University of Abuja. So let's just go through it and type University of Lagos. It's loading. It's loading. As you can see, these are documents from University of Lagos. So there is nothing like it does not accept Nigeria, it does not accept Kenya, it does not accept. Geez, as you can see, it has 18 million results. So there are thousands of Nigerians on this website. Look at this one. This one is just 4 pages. So, and this guy will get paid $10 every time a student views this. So this one too. So just go through it. These are pages a lot. Now how you will upload your books here, you come arrow, then you come to where it says note bank, sorry. You come to this note bank. Under this note bank, you click on sell document. So once you click on sell document, you can start uploading from there. As you can see, it says upload more files. So that's just basically how you can upload more files on this website and start making money. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do to hit the subscribe button Like this video and drop us a comment if you have any question whatsoever. And then name of this website is called Study Pool. The link will be the first in the comment section, guys. Do well to check out this website because we don't know who is who. We don't know who might be our next billionaire on this website. We don't know who might be the next person that will be cashing out on this website. So I'll see you on the other side.